we're going to use this 6-volt power supply. Okay, I've made a little mount. That's where the rope's going to go. The issue we have here is it's twisting. Let's go ahead and test it. Yes! What we're doing here is we're rigging up this voltage changer. So what it does is it turns 12 volts into 7.2 volts. Because we were having an issue where the car wasn't not going fast enough. And the reason for that is we had the right voltage, we didn't have the right amperage. So what I did is I went and got a 12 volt power supply with the right amperage, and I got my brother to make me a little voltage converter, and that converted it to 7.2 volts so it could be usable. Now let's run this till something interesting happens. First failure, this has come undone. It appears to be broken. See the Lego beam that's supposed to hold it together? Yeah, it's come undone, but it seems to be working, so I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, I'm gonna actually switch it around. Switch the side that's going around. Okay, let's see what happens if we move this around. You have to see the mark on the ground where it is around. That actually worked. Maybe a little bit less aggressive. Alright, time to flip it around. I completely forgot to tell you how I calculated how fast I was going in scale. So what I did is I first took a slow motion video, here's the actual slow motion video here. I figured out where the start of the car hits 0 centimeters, and then when the start of the car hits 50 centimeters, I measured the time in between that, which was 0.12 of a second. And then what I went and did is I put it into a time calculator, which is distance over time, which gets you speed. Then I just times it by 16 because it's a 1/16 scale car, which then gave us the approximation of 90 kilometers an hour in scale. And boom, it is now driven 500 kilometers, 500 scale kilometers. Let's go ahead and stop it. Let's inspect what 500 scale kilometers has done to it. First, I want to point out there's wheel marks on the ground from where it's gone the past 5.5 hours. Let's take a look at this car. I'm going to save you the 4 minutes that I was going to talk about it, as the only thing that really was there is a little bit of wear on the tyres, but that was it. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, and if you really enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe. I'm Storm from Stormified. See you next time.